How to replace the deck belt on a Troy Bilt. When your Troy Bilt riding mower leaves grass uncut, a problem clearly exists. Before taking the mower in for service, check to see if its deck belt has snapped. The deck belt, which sits atop the mower deck and powers its blades, ranks as one of those mower attachments you never notice until it has stopped functioning. But with the right tools, you can perform a deck belt replacement in about 15 minutes and spare yourself the cost of taking the mower to a professional. Things you will need: work gloves, adjustable wrench, electric impact wrench, Troy Bilt deck belt replacement. Place the Troy Bilt mower on a level surface. Undo the mower's spark plug wire. Pull the key from the ignition to safeguard against the mower starting while you are working on it. Lower the mower deck by shifting the deck lift lever into its lowermost slot. Remove the belt guard from the deck with an electric impact wrench by unscrewing the screws that hold the deck in place. Separate the belt keeper rod from the engine pulley. Loosen the idler pulley nuts with an adjustable wrench. Remove the belt from each idler pulley. Starting at the engine pulley, thread the replacement belt along the idler pulley's inside tracks and around the two remaining pulleys. Check that the new belt snugly fits. Reconnect the belt guards to the mower deck. Return the mower deck to its earlier height, and reattach the spark plug wire. Tips warnings. Troy Bilt recommends using only its replacement deck belts on your mower because off-brand belts may malfunction. Avoid touching the pulley spring or putting your fingers between the pulley and belt to safeguard against possible injury.